Right, magandang umaga, tanghali at gabi sa lahat ng ating mga makikinig. So, in this video, we will be discuss on how to share our free SSBYF ebook. Okay, so importante ito para when you are giving your free ebook to the people in exchange of their informations para madala natin sila sa ating system, kailangan natin gamitin yung ating Dominate funnels kasi it's a very most professional way of inviting people. So, ang kagandahan rin po kasi nito ating ebook is that hindi na siya papel, hindi na siya hard copy, kundi downloadable na lang siya. So, parang gaya nitong nakikita natin sa ating screen, and then if we will look at on the top, andyan na po lahat ng ating mga covers ng ating or pages ng ating ebook. So, that's from chapter 1 to chapter 9 on this side. So, pag ito ay sinend natin sa ating mga kaibigan or anybody na gustong makita at makabasa ang libro na ito, then by using your Dominic tools through your funnel, then maganda na siya kasi straightforward from there you can download your order free SSBYF ebook. So, shall we start now? So, andito na ako sa aking Dominic tools. This is my Dominic tools. So, ang gagawin po natin is, kaya sabi natin, gagawa tayo ng funnel on sharing our SSBYF ebook. So, what we need to do first is we have to go to the survey. And then as soon as we get into our survey page, we need to make a survey title, alright? So since meron na rin ako ditong iba, na nagawa, kasi you can also edit some survey that you've done before. You can edit. If not, then you can do or add a new one. So today, let's add a new one. So add new survey from the bottom. Ang kagandahan kasi nitong survey, the people can have a choice. Pwede silang mag-tick kung ano yung gusto pa nilang pag-aralan sa mga ino-offer ng IMG like mutual funds. Gusto ba nilang malaman tungkol sa mga healthcare, sa mga insurance, or further financial education. So marami silang mga choices doon. Na once tinik nila ang mga yon, it will give you an open area on how to open a conversation sa ating mga na-invite. So let's put a title. So sabihin natin dito na, let's say free SSBYF ebook. Right? Then, after that, you can also add a question. So what question would you like to add? What? Let's say what are your concerns in life? Parang napaka powerful niya na question na what are your concerns in life, kasi lahat naman tayo ng tao, marami talaga tayong mga concerns sa buhay. So eventually when you ask them about this question, you can be able, for sure marami tayong matatanggap na sagot. So right from there, makikita natin kung ano yung mga needs nila. And description is, let's put 5 strategic on building your solid financial foundation. Field name, you can see ebook for free. Okay, field type, short answer. Yeah, you can have it paragraph. They can write as much as they wanted to. Is required, yes, we want it required para talaga makita natin kung ano yung nasa mga mind nila. Okay, so rank 1 to 100, that will do. Okay, then submit. Alright, my invalid fields. Okay, so this is our the descriptions and information that we need for our para sa ating survey, and then we just have to click submit. So ito yung ating ginawa. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, we're gonna connect it using our using we will connect it to our funnel. So what we need to do is we just have to click the built in funnel para mabuo na natin yung ating invitation to the people for this free ebook. And then right from here, ang atin po gagamitin is to lead magnet funnel ba gusto mo, or pre-recorded event, or survey funnel, virtual event pa siya, or large event funnel, or in-person event funnel. So hahanap ka ng mga sample funnels, but this time let's have this lead magnet funnel. Okay, we give people an ethical bribe in exchange for their email address kasi in exchange of their email addresses, bibigyan natin sila ng free ebook. And then let's just wait for it to load, and now we're here in this page, and nakikita natin dyan yung ating free ebook. So ito na yung gagamitin natin. So give people an ebook in exchange for their email address, and that is for free. So you just have to click create now. We're waiting for it to load. Now here is our details or information that we need in order for us to complete our funnel. So you just have to choose which one of the domain that you wanted to use for this certain funnel. Let's just choose wealthy heads, okay, and the site is, let's say, free is BYFT. Okay, and then you can actually write anything in there that relates to your purpose of your panel. And then survey, membership benefits checklist, yes, we need that para makita natin kung anong kailangan nila. And free email list, free e-book list. So ibig sabihin, kung sino man yung kukuha ng yung ebook at magsasign at magbigay ng kanilang mga informations, lahat ng kanilang mga email or informations will be directed to our free ebook list na email list. Alright? So, and then click submit. So, site name, okay. So, this one, I guess we need to change it for BY8 ebook. There, let's just put now para magkaroon siya ng pagkakaiba kasi nadoble na daw siya, may ganyan na siya, so hindi siya kailangan mag-duplicate, dapat magkaiba. So that's it, we are done. So basically, itong link na ito, pwede mo na ito isend sa mga friends mo para makapag-download sila ng free ebook natin. And then, what we can do right now is we can send this link straight to our digital platform sa ating mga Facebook, okay? So, ito na yung nagawa natin ngayon, ito na yung recent na nagawa natin. So, tingnan natin what's inside of this. So, just waiting for it to load. Diba, napakadali lang gumawa ng ebook natin. So, ayan, nakita na natin yung ating mga checklist. And then, nakita na rin natin din yung ebook natin. Diba? So, sabi dito, start your journey now. Get the first two chapters of the book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So, instantly, once they input all their details in this area, makikita nila or makakakuha sila ng mga emails, mga autoresponders natin ng mga emails from IMG regarding the free downloadable ebook natin sa company. So, yan yung magiging mukha ng ating ebook invitation sa kanila. So, but then what we can do right now is we need to go to our Dominate, and then we're gonna send this invitation into our Facebook. So, i-share natin siya. So, anong gagawin natin dapat? You just have to click share on Facebook. And then, makikita natin dyan na may mga pictures dyan, no? Mga images na pwede mong gamitin. So, let's say for example, ito na lang, di ba? Maganda siya eh. So, enjoy a debt-free life. So, importante din yan. Isa rin sa mga tinuturo talaga natin, di ba? So, here is, maglagay tayo ng mga descriptions nila. So, meta descriptions. Enjoy your free. Yan. So, pwede na po yan. Or otherwise, yan ang lagi natin mga sinasabi sa ating mga videos. You can also choose any pictures you want sa inyong mga files. Pag kinlik nyo yan, then you can straight away navigate or check which pictures ang gusto nyong gamitin. Okay? So, but now we're just gonna use the pictures or the image na available sa atin dito sa ating Dominic Tools. And then you just have to click update and share, and that's it. So if images that appear on Facebook, just try again if we're still in Facebook Crawler. Sometimes kasi talaga hindi nag-a-appear yung mga images, but it's okay. So let's just click share on Facebook. If you have Twitter, then you can share it on Twitter as well. Alright, so let's just click here. Hi friends. Here is my invitation for as well accelerate. Yeah, I think that would do. That's it. So after mo maglagay dyan ng note mo, then you can just right away post to Facebook. So, diba napakabilis lang, napakadali lang talaga. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is lagi mo siyang gawin para hindi ka na malito next time. So now what we need to do is let's go to our Facebook. Tingnan natin kung andun ba talaga siya sa ating Facebook. So let's add one more page and then let's go to our Facebook. So we're here in my Facebook and ayan na yung nakita natin, di ba? Ang ganda, di ba? So, yan. Ito na yung ginawa natin. So, nalagay dyan, hi friends, here is my invitation for a free SSBYF ebook. Download and enjoy reading this. Reading. This will give you information that will accelerate your finances. So, pag nakita nila yan, ang gagawin na lang nila is they will have to click on it. So, tignan natin kung ano yung loob, kung it's just the same sa ating nakita kanina. So, duplicate. Ito yung nakita talaga natin kanina. So, what your friends can do is they will just have to encode their names there. Let's say, for example, lalagyan natin yung pangalan ko, informations ko dyan, para makita natin later on kung talaga bang papasok siya or makakatanggap pa talaga ako ng email para dito. So, mag-tick tayo dyan. Kunwari, ito yung mga gusto ko pang malaman. And then, just, they can also write something for you. Let's say, thank you. And then, they will just submit it. So, yan. Congratulations, you're on your way to financial freedom. To start our journey, please click your inbox for email that we just sent you. So, now what we need to do is to click or look on our email kung tanggapin natin talaga siya. So, let me just straight away go to my email. Ayan. So, andito na tayo sa email ko. So, nakita natin na dito sa taas, meron tayong please confirm your registration to IMG's 30M 2030 Financial Education. So, ito yung natanggap ko right there and then sa aking pag-i-encode ng details ko doon sa ating free BYF na ebook na link. Yan. And then later on, makakatanggap pa tayo ng mga iba pang emails from IMG, from our autoresponders regarding our ebook. So, makikita natin dyan sa ating mga susunod na mga emails right after this, sa email na to, na confirmation na ito is pwede na nating ma-download yung book, yung first 2 chapters of the book. Pwede na nating mabasa yon anytime. So over in few minutes from now, dumadating yung mga emails na yan, and every single day may mga natatanggap yung ating mga kaibigan or friends or anybody na encode ng or nag-input ng mga emails nila or information nila doon sa ating link. So sa ngayon, ito ang natanggap natin, itong confirmation ng registration to IMG 30M by 2030. Okay? So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for all your time, and I hope may natulong tayo sa mga baguhan dito sa ating IMG business on how you can share your SSBYF ebook using your Dominate tools, using your funnels. So enjoy and do it. It's very doable, it's very easy, and God bless us all.
If you learned something from this video, please like, subscribe, and share.